Now we will see the capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor when the dielectric slab is being placed within them. Let us suppose these are the plate of the capacitor. The one is positively charged and another is negatively charged. Then there is a setup of the field which will occur, and the direction of the field will be plus to the minus. Now let us suppose there is a T meter slab is being placed between the plate of the capacitor. These are the two plates of the capacitor at which the one of the plate becomes positively charged, another becomes negatively charged. That's why there is a setup of a field from plus to the minus is being take place. Now when we just placed a mica slab between them, then you can easily see by the induction that side of the slab would carry the positive charge because it is a negative charge and that has to be attracted by the positive charge. Similarly, if you will see that positive ions will attract the electron of that slab, and that's why the negative charge has been shifted towards there. इसके इलेक्ट्रॉन इस पॉजिटिव चार्ज से अट्रैक्ट होंगे, that's why the electron has to be shifted up and the remaining positive charge will be shifted down. That's why there are the two electric fields which are simultaneously acted. The one is, let's suppose the slab is not there. When the field is becomes plus to the minus, it means that becomes the field. Here it is. Suppose it becomes E naught in the space. When the slab is being placed in it, then also there is a field from plus to the minus in that direction. That is also set up. Let's suppose it becomes E. Now, what should be the voltage, overall voltage between them? That can be, the voltage is ED, where D is the distance between the plate. Now, overall voltage will be E naught for the free space. When there is no slab at all, then the intensity or the electric field will be the E naught. And what should be the distance between the plate? These are the two plates of the capacitor, and there is a T meter thickness of the slab, and that distance becomes D meter. Then the remaining space, that will be the D minus T. D minus T. It means that becomes the free space. That one. It becomes the free space. That should be the voltage. Here it is. In between these two plates. And what should be the voltage in between these two plates? That will be the electric field and the distance between the plate. Distance between the plate becomes the T in that case. That should be the overall voltage. Now you can see E can be written as E naught by K, where E naught is the electric field in the free space and K is the dielectric constant. Then replacing the value of the E becomes E naught by K. Now taking E naught as common, what would you find? The D minus T becomes here, and here it is T by K. Now as we also know that the intensity in the or electric field in the free space, that becomes sigma by epsilon naught, and sigma is what? Surface charge density, that becomes charge per unit area, Q by A into epsilon naught. That is. Now replacing these values, what will find? Replacing here it is, the V becomes equals to Q upon A epsilon naught. E naught की वैल्यू हम रिप्लेस कर रहे हैं यहाँ से Q upon A epsilon naught, and here it is become D minus T plus T by K. Now what should be the capacitance of the plate, of the capacitor plate? That becomes C, and C you know that it becomes Q by V. Now replacing, now Q by V, and what is the V? V becomes that one, Q upon A epsilon naught into D minus T plus T by K. Now Q will cancel out and that has to be mentioned here. Now it becomes that one. That should be the capacitance. If you will see, that becomes the capacitance of the plates when a slab is being placed between them. इसमें हमें करा क्या है? There is nothing in that derivation. You will see, let's suppose it is no slab at all initially, and there are the two plates which are differently charged. Then there is a setup of the electric field that will take place, and that will be the voltage of that. Similarly, when you place a slab in between them, then the negative charge will be associated towards the positive charge, while the positive charge would carry towards the negative plate. It means there is also a setup of electric field from plus to the minus by the slab, and that voltage becomes E into T. The intensity, or you may say the field, into the distance. The distance will be the T in that case, and then solve it, find out the voltage, then after the capacitance. Capacitance is Q by V, and replacing the value of the V here, you will find the appropriate value of the capacitance in that case.